Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of woodworking, not just as a hobby, but as a potential income stream. Many people envision woodworking as an artistic outlet or a relaxing pastime, but it can also be a lucrative way to earn extra cash. Whether you're seeking a side hustle or looking to transition into a full-time job, this video is packed with practical ideas to help you turn your passion for woodworking into profit. Before we dive into specific projects, it's essential to understand the market for woodworking items. Handmade goods are in high demand, particularly as people increasingly seek unique, artisanal products that stand out from mass-produced items. This demand opens up opportunities for woodworkers to create bespoke products that cater to various customer needs. Knowing what items sell well can help you focus your efforts on projects that are likely to generate income. One of the easiest ways to start earning is by creating home decor items. Think wooden signs, picture frames, or wall art made from reclaimed wood. These projects are relatively simple and people love practical items that enhance their daily lives. Consider making cutting boards, coasters, or small kitchen accessories. These items are always in demand and can be produced quickly. You can even customize them with engravings or different finishes that add a unique touch, making them appealing gifts and household staples. Don't forget about outdoor woodworking projects. Items like birdhouses, garden benches, or planters can be highly sought after, especially during the spring and summer months. These projects not only allow you to work with larger pieces of wood, but also appeal to gardening enthusiasts looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. Creating small furniture pieces, such as stools, side tables, or shelves, can significantly boost your income. While these projects may require a bit more experience and tools, they can sell for higher prices and attract more serious buyers. Focus on versatility and practicality to appeal to a broader audience, ensuring that your furniture can easily blend into various home styles. Children's toys and games are another fantastic avenue for woodworking. From classic wooden blocks and puzzles to toy cars and dollhouses, there is a wide market for safe, handmade toys. Parents often look for non-toxic, durable options for their children, so focusing on quality craftsmanship can set your creations apart. As you build your reputation, consider taking on custom commissions. Many clients appreciate personalized items, whether it's a unique piece of furniture or a custom woodworking project for their home. By offering your skills for specific requests, you not only expand your portfolio but also potentially increase your income, as custom pieces often command a premium price. Now that you've got some project ideas, let's talk sales channels. You can sell your creations at local craft fairs, farmers markets, or online platforms like Etsy or social media. Each channel has its benefits. For example, craft fairs allow for direct customer interaction, while online sales can reach a broader audience. Effective marketing is key to driving sales, so consider investing time in promoting your work online. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are invaluable for showcasing your woodworking projects. High-quality photos, engaging captions, and sharing behind-the-scenes processes can help build a community around your work and attract potential buyers. When it comes to pricing your woodworking items, make sure to account for your material costs, time, and any overhead expenses. Research similar items to ensure that your pricing is competitive yet fair. Remember, handmade items often justify a higher price due to the craftsmanship involved, so don't undervalue your work. As you grow your woodworking business, consider developing a brand around your creations. A strong brand identity can help you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Think about your target audience, the message you want to convey, and how you can make your products feel unique and special to potential customers. Joining woodworking communities, both online and offline, can be incredibly beneficial. Networking with other woodworkers can provide support, inspiration, and potentially lead to collaborations. Sharing experiences and tips can significantly improve your craft and give you insights into what works in terms of sales and marketing. Lastly, don't forget the importance of continually improving your skills and investing in the right tools. Consider taking classes or watching online tutorials to learn advanced techniques that can open up new project possibilities. As you grow more skilled, you'll find that your creations become more intricate and valuable, further enhancing your earning potential. In conclusion, woodworking has the potential to be a fantastic way not only to express your creativity, but also to generate income. With the right projects, marketing strategies, and a commitment to improving your craft, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. So roll up your sleeves, gather your materials, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Thank you so much for watching our video on easy woodworking ideas to boost your income. We hope you found inspiration and practical tips to help you harness your woodworking skills into a rewarding venture. Remember, every project you undertake not only builds your craftsmanship, but also brings you one step closer to achieving your financial goals. We encourage you to explore these ideas, experiment with your creativity, and perhaps even share your own unique twists on these projects. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content related to woodworking and DIY projects. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or family who might also be interested in woodworking. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more content for you. Together, let's keep the passion for woodworking alive and thriving.